Hi everyone, Heidi Fogelsong here with Senior Resource Connectors, where each month we find out more about the quality services offered by one of our outstanding coalition members. We call it our Ask the Expert series.
I'd say your typical real estate agent is looking for one transaction at a time, one listing at a time, one buyer at a time, and we're actually looking for a community of people that we can help. We just found that there's a lot of people in the world that need additional help and need a little bit of hand-holding through some tough times, and so that's really become our specialty. We have a lot of different niches that we work in, and most of those niches involve folks that are needing some additional help. We work with a lot of attorneys that are helping their clients figure out a way through a tough legal situation, and we work with seniors and their adult children that are facing a really tough time when mom and dad has to relocate into a different form of living. Our agents get very involved with networking. We involve ourselves with associations, with conferences. We've done quite a bit with the State Bar Association of Arizona. We've been members of the Passers Association, the NPRA, and now very much involved with the Senior Resource Connectors. My attitude has kind of always been, if you can help people and still make a living at it, then it's a lot more rewarding than just going after business. We're a very nurturing group.